Stormwatch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Well, an air stagnation advisory remains in place for our west side and east side valleys, especially at night. Seeing reduced air quality. There's just not a lot of mixing with this high pressure in place. So that is allowing for those pollutants to settle down in the valleys and also make for some hazy conditions as well. Also, this weather pattern really trapping that moisture, keeping the valleys very cloudy and foggy. And we're going to see that once again tonight. Reduced visibility, some freezing fog potential, especially in the basin. And as we go through this upcoming work week, though, we will dry the atmosphere out a bit more, drying in the valleys, and that should allow the clouds and fog to become less stubborn for most spots, and temperatures will respond by warming up as well for the week ahead. But still going to at least see some areas of low clouds and fog in the coming days. Take a look at the forecast for tomorrow, heading to the winter market at the Village at Medford Center. It's going to be a cold afternoon. Hopefully seeing some breaks of sunshine, though, in the afternoon. Temperatures will make a run at 40 if we can see enough sunshine, but it does look dry for any activities across the region. We'll see some increased mid to high level clouds for the mountains as well as the coast, up to 58 degrees in Brookings. But these temperatures, at least away from the coast, looking below normal for the start of December. Here's a look at our average highs and lows in Medford through the month. 48 degrees, the average high for the 1st of December tomorrow. This is our wettest month on average in the region for Medford. Just over 3.5 inches is the average precipitation, but it's looking pretty dry to at least start the month as quiet weather is sticking around. Some increased clouds across the region through the afternoon. The low clouds and fog will be socked into the valleys for most spots. And then as we go on into your Monday, we'll see decreasing clouds and likely those low clouds and fog in the valleys mostly breaking up. There still could definitely be some stubborn areas, but we should see a trend of the clouds and fog in the valleys becoming less stubborn and temperatures warming up. Take a look at our water year update, looking very good across southern Oregon and northern California. Everybody above average for the water year, but this time of year is usually our wettest, so those surpluses will be shrinking as we look to stay fairly quiet. We may see a pattern change next weekend as we get a storm system to bring a pretty good shot at some moisture for southern Oregon and northern California, but we'll be watching it in the days ahead. Temperatures looking to get a bit milder for the Rogue Valley as we go through the week as clouds and fog become less stubborn. For the coast, fairly bright skies overall, mild temperatures into the work week, slight chances for showers Thursday and Friday, but we're really going to be watching that system into next weekend. Northern California, more cold mornings, contending with some valley clouds and fog as well, especially into the first part of the work week, but a general milder trend to our weather as we head through this upcoming week. The Klamath Basin also going to be seeing more rounds of some freezing fog, but becoming less widespread and stubborn as we head through the week. Up into the mountains, good travel weather expected in the days ahead, staying dry until we get to that system on Saturday. Snow levels looking pretty high, so mainly rain Saturday, but snow levels could drop off as we head into Sunday. For the Rogue Valley, looking at some pretty quiet weather overall. Just the big concern is going to be that dense fog in the valley at night and then in the mornings, but temperatures likely getting milder this week as clouds and fog become a bit less stubborn.